Hello, my name is Thomas Acero. I sleep from on the 8th grade course and today I come the new present camp. The first question is what is the name of your camp? Then the name of the camp is camp licensed. The second question is where is going to the camp? The camp is located in Villeta. And three question is where when is going to be the camp? The camp from the 3 to 18 the May. The 14th question is which are the activity what with I can't to wear in the camp is the morning we will do survey conference and now lunch and the ball and 9 bonfires music and sharking. And the 5 question is what is entering process to enter in the camp is we will don't from the school secretary. The 6th question is which are his work will net for its the camp. What will net for the camp are closed for 5 days. The personal do and stand and no. The 7th question is what kinds of no can't I ate there? The can't offer which is hamburger, pizza, chicken, among there. Thank you.